Good morning everyone, I am Jade Kilingin. Today, let's tackle about analyzing assessment data to inform instruction across the subject. So what is assessment data? Provide a means to look student performance to offer evidence about student learning in the curriculum. Provide information about the program's strengths and weaknesses and guide decision making. So let's go over how teachers use data to improve instruction and create personalized learning experiences and for improving learning outcomes for students across the subject. 1. Make the analysis of student data a part of continuous instructional improvement cycle. Teacher work the student data to inform instructional decision and address student learning requirements in a systematic and routine manner. On the other hand, data usage is continuous cycle of gathering data from different sources, evaluating data to create hypotheses about strategies to improve student accomplishment and make instructional adjustment to test ideas. 2. Gather all the student performance data. In a point of fact, teacher can actually gather information in a variety of methods. Formal evaluation, such as exam, essay, or final project are among the more traditional techniques for gathering data. Individual development shows through assessment as well as pattern in the classroom as a whole. 3. Examine the collected data. The essential goal in analyzing data is to determine the overall areas of relative strength and weaknesses in a class so that the instructional time and resources may be devoted to the most pressing instructional requirements. 4. From hypotheses on how to enhance teaching and learning and test them. To ensure your student enhance their learning process, you should generate the ideas about how to on your side improve the accomplishment patterns defined as the triangulate data from different resources. 5. Encourage students to work their own data and teach them to set learning goals. Teachers should give students specific instruction on how to use accomplishment data to track their own progress and set them their own objectives on regular basis. When students understand the learning objectives and get data in the user-friendly manner, they are best equipped to learn from their own achievement statistics. 6. Use student data to implement changes in learning process. Teachers should gather the analyzed student objectives and analyze in order to discover topic areas and abilities that need to be reinforced, as well the variables and many drive students' learning. Let's talk about types of assessment data. Quantitative data analysis relies on numerical courses or ratings is helpful in evaluation because it can provide qualified results that are easy to calculate and display. Qualitative data consists primarily of words and observation rather than numbers. Qualitative data can come in from a variety of sources including open-minded survey questions, focus group notes, essay responses, and student portfolio. The proper use of student data has far-reaching benefits both for educational institution and student. Educators can develop individualized learning experiences, manage resources allocation, and address individual needs more effectively by collecting and evaluating the appropriate student data. That's all about analyzing assessment data to inform instruction across the subject.